Auzubillahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I don't know how to cheat Muslim. You Muslim, me Muslim, another person Muslim. Everybody Muslim. Muslim must be fucking backside. Why? Not coming front side. I don't know how to Facebook writing fake ID with me only. I don't know what will do for me other person. I fuck him, he mother. Dog children. Say more than more there. I tell them, bas my Allah Almighty is every world. This person hand. Bas, Alhamdulillah. Allah Kareem. Salute everybody.